Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about what are the best natural baths that you can use for your baby to help in healing a nappy, rash and dry skin. Well, the bath is really amazing, and it's a great way to help in healing your baby's skin, whether that's from dry skin or whether that's from any sort of a nappy rash as well. A bath would be able to ease your baby's discomfort, and you can go ahead with a basic bath. Just simply fill the tub with about 15 centimeters of warm water, just pure warm water, and you let your baby sit on it. Place some natural toys in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Please make sure to supervise your baby during this time as well. Now, for the babies that are not able to sit, they're too young, you can also have one of the parents hold the baby, and it would be great for that as well. So that's a pure water bath. Another thing that you can also use onto the bath to help in easing the discomfort, to help in healing the skin, is a wonderful ingredient called oatmeal. Powdered oatmeal works best. You can also just use simple half a cup of powdered oatmeal in the bath water would work amazing in helping to heal the skin. Another thing, you can use a product called Aveeno Colloidal Oatmeal. You can add that to bath water, and it has anti-inflammatory properties from the oatmeal, and it really helps to soothe delicate skin. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. I would love to have you on board. Take care and have an amazing great day. Bye bye.